kan ho biom Tracy Boakye se ono de wiase mo baaye ni baby papa anase ni kunu asese waware no ye ni ex 13 years ago and then they obi ka say line mo chu of a lie and then omo ka bo mu no mu mienu nyina no mo hwa na ehwe no
aseda ena me beda mo se nyame hwa mo hey obi that so can the Louise no enye Louise enye Louise why oh I'm not showing my ring go make asa e ho ne hye me share da me share da o make asa ne ho ne hye na ma menye me nsase my husband is watching on patch ma menye me see enti no your bundle is finished. Oh me to airtime no ma post you on my story me dey Google hobby brain na eja den ya manfo ebe loadi nti ebi benye bi eya na nipa ne doors nti mo fa nche me ombra obi wa omba online nti ombra na obi aboewi a enye me nti we kwa me share that to her I think a day or two before say I'll be doing giveaways nti stay glued me kind enye say me ya na me de beto her I said it first said the be ya more attention ebe baholom she showed them oh me show more it's ya me show more I didn't even tell people I'll be coming live here but I mean look at the number omujina so ehwe eyemefe question I want to answer 10 questions na make off I was say make her baby intino yes more questions 10 mra na me answer via na makram na ma koshe baby so I'm ready. Yes, what you want to know? The name is not Luna. Your American queen is back with her giving. Yes, I'm back with my giving. Givers never lack. Yes, I'll do giveaway. Maybe may giveaways. Right. When I finish. When is the christening? Mecca show. I'll tell you. Mecca. The name is not Lolo. What makes me go off? Go off as in Patrick explain ye kaka. Go off as in ebia ebufua na ding. What's your biggest regret in the movie industry? What's my biggest regret in the movie industry? Do I have a regret? In the movie industry, do I have a regret? I don't actually have a regret because the movie industry made me. Yes. The movie industry made me. I don't think I have a regret. Although it may be there are ups and downs, but movie industry, especially producing, and then a mommy, Tracey Boakye. Yes. Thank you. Queen, please don't go offline. Please let me watch your beautiful face. Oh. What do I invest in? I invest in things. I didn't faso ebebreme. I love this question. Me investing in enyema ebeside didn't faso abreme. Yes, those are the things I invest in. Yes, movie industry made me. Me can't say profonati. I say, say, eno ne ma me who I am today. I mean, yes, I don't make me produce a movie. Eno ne ma me Tracey Boakye. Yes, so it made me who I am today. So sana me can't profona obetiasia. Yes, nice braids. Thank you. What advice will I give to a young girl who is about to marry? Wow. Okay. A young girl who is about to marry. Answer yeah, maybe me. Okay. I always say, making sure say, oh bano. I mean you and your husband. Or husband no minim nei but oh ba young girl now be worrying. Establish yourself first. Why am I saying this? Our rear is a forever thing. Our rear and to same panatrin sebe. Oh, worry. Unless sebe bibia a be break you. I mean, enko ya won't name yes. But then make can establish her. Why dream when you make up your mind? Make sure, ask yourself, like, if you're ready for it. Yes, be ready for it before you go in. Establish yourself too before you go in. I know so we now, but I know so I establishing that and you move boom abobra. Move boom a raise family. And you know, our real no ensa ko na ensa aba. That is how it is. And no matter the ebekosu biano, your circle should be tight. Oh, kwa worry ma fashion to young girl. Question na me answer no. Young girl no fashion utiri say no matter what. They be make say a man e worry because obaka say no matter what otina worry ho. But then obaka say on worry be man. Ojai. Yes, we make home. That's what I'll say. Into any young girl who wants to marry, my advice to you is establish yourself first. Bompaye train make sure say a kununo or a God-fearing husband, because enenema be brain a koso. So when nya bema nyame suro ewo ni mu a, especially we a public figure to say ya enye easy. Onye public figure cry na enye easy. Yes. Sirinya me say omma a God-fearing husband. The ono nyame esuro ewo ni mu. In that case, it completes everything. It completes everything. Yes. So I've answered your question. What's the next question? You're welcome. Back to the person. Sorry, I had a call. When are we seeing baby's face? Okay. Christening. Yes. During the christening. This is the fourth question I'm answering. Waka 6. During the christening, no, we're going to see baby's face. Yes. Okay. Am I going to have another baby or I'm done? I love this question too. This is the fifth question. Okay. I'm not done. I love kids. I love kids. I am a penkwala pant, you know. I'm not done. I'm not done. Because see I say I'm done. You better me. Me fans almost me. Because me say I was in tia moye me catch you. Come over me comment section. Tino. Me. Okay. Where is your big bro, Mr. Ntiamwa? Oh, Mr. Ntiamwa. Oh, menkwana maba live. Menkwa ena maba live. Yes, intina. Mr. Ntiamwa. Oh. Okay, I got 4 questions. We see Trey. I got 4. Oh my God, me, mommy, check your DM. Mommy, check your DM. Let me answer this question. Question way once and for all. Dear messages, no, a dozen. Dear messages, a dozen. Please, and to say me ready. I do read, but a beer. Me who dear. Now they are cheme. A dozen. A bit to me freezy. Now say me who ya na obi send me messages. I think 2018 or so. Now see na papi up me DM. Ain't no Mr. Mo no de be che me kakra. Why? Me who comments na pa mommy check your DM, mommy check your DM. Me check you. But ebi wo ho no man. I think say bia na was send ya check. Into one kasa me ko check ya me ko. I don't see it. Why? Mr. But I read. Yeah. Okay. When will I throw a party for my loved ones? How do I do that? Because me, I really want to do it. How do I do it? It be far, just every region. Yes. My loved ones, no, they are not together at one place. We are not together at one place. Party for my loved ones. Yes, I would love to do it. I would love to do it. But how to bring my loved ones together? If you Sunyani, if you outside Ghana, if you Takrade, even within Accra here, no, if you what? But yeah, we will figure out something. I got 3 questions. My answer 7. I got 3. I love you too. I love you too. Please remove the glass. Let's see your face. Yes, madam. How does it feel to find true love, Queen? Oh, Samidi. You feel like me as no kind. I say Yankopon be heaven, mommy. Yes. True love is a dead. Inner peace. Just say, yes, that's how it feels when you find true love. Yes. Okay. I look beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. May you glasses now. As you said, I mean, your wish is my command. I should set a trend region by region. Pachomate. When the time comes, I'll do it. Anytime I'm busy. I should add 2 more babies.
Attention TV to one my so like watch your comment your videos and so. We share more about Samrana from Ahema Echan.